31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
We got 2 triple digits today.
We did.
Many are wondering, will we see more of that later this week?
Maybe not for the rest of the week,
Okay.
but next week there might be another chance. So yeah, we're not going to see things change anytime soon. Kind of get used to the heat as it is right now. Let's talk though first about rain chances. Now they are back. This is going to help ease the heat a little bit. Probably will make it feel more humid though if you are a recipient of some rainfall tomorrow, and we do expect to track some heading into tomorrow afternoon. Here's a breakdown of those rain chances. Morning hours will be dry. In fact, you'll head out and we'll start off your Wednesday a lot like we started off this morning with a good bit of sunshine out there. After the lunch hour, you do see that chance for a round of showers and thunderstorms picking up here across portions of the Tennessee Valley. Not everyone will see rainfall, but some of you will, and there is a potential for maybe an isolated stronger thunderstorm. These are summertime type of strong storms, not spring ones. So we're not looking at a tornado threat. I think that would be almost impossible to get with the weather setup. But what we will be looking at, heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and perhaps some gusty wind. And that'll be a possibility in any of the areas that you see shaded in green here. That's where we have a level 1 severe weather risk on our scale of 1 to 5. So again, this doesn't look like anything major, but I won't rule out a few stronger thunderstorms that could pass through tomorrow. And be sure to check in with meteorologist Grace Anello first thing tomorrow morning. She'll have an update on those storms and the timing of all that as we expect them to come on in. Otherwise, it's still all about the heat. 91 is our average. Of course, we blew that out of the water today. Tomorrow, we're going to be close to 100 again, but due to the increase in cloud cover and some storms coming in into the afternoon, that will likely prevent us from reaching the century mark for a second day in a row. 93 on Thursday. That will be the coolest day out of the next several. We're back into the mid-90s heading on into the weekend, and unfortunately, there is just no sign that this pattern is going to break. So even though we've got a round of storms that will come through tomorrow, which often will signal a change in the pattern, we're going to jump right back into the heat even after those storms have come and gone. This is the temperature outlook, kind of centered around that 4th of July holiday weekend. Hotter than average appears to be a pretty good bet at this point in time. And again, next week, maybe making another run close to 100 degrees. I think that is certainly a possibility based on what I'm seeing right now in the data. Things are quiet for the moment. Wave 31 Triple Doppler, clean sweep out there, waiting to track some rain tomorrow, and we will be doing that tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, overnight tonight, looking for just a partly cloudy sky out there. We'll wake up in the morning, a few patches of clouds, but likely a dry beginning to the day. Through 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still not a whole lot going on, but showers and thunderstorms starting to ramp up off to our west, and they will build in across the area tomorrow afternoon. Here's 5 o'clock on your Wednesday. There will be some pockets of heavier showers and thunderstorms coming on through, but not everyone will get rained on. And then right now, the latest update with Future Radar says that these will move through parts of Sand Mountain late afternoon, early evening, and then probably by 8, 9 o'clock, everything kind of shifting out of here. Might still squeeze out an isolated shower heading into your Thursday, but overall rain chances should stay fairly limited at that point. And heading into the weekend, only some isolated wet weather back in the forecast. Temperatures tonight, if you're here in the northeast corner of the state, not bad. 65 in Fort Payne, 68 in Guntersville. Huntsville back out to the west will be running a little warmer, but not all that terrible. In the low 70s later tonight. Quick warm up tomorrow, 81 by 8, 92 at 10, 95 at the noon hour. And again, we'll see temperatures peak back into the mid to upper 90s before those shower and thunderstorm chances come through and drop the temperatures for quite a few of us later in the afternoon tomorrow. 97 for Fort Payne. We got 98 in Huntsville tomorrow. The Shoals at 96, 94 Moulton, and we'll go 96 in Decatur tomorrow. Here's your Wave 31 Storm Tracker 10-day forecast. Getting a little bit of wet weather through Thursday. Temperature comes down slightly Thursday at 93, but then we're right back up there. Mid-90s, very humid conditions for the weekend as well. Those feels like numbers or the heat index very likely will get above 100 degrees heading into the weekend. Next week, again, no relief in sight. In fact, it's even hotter back into that upper end of the 90s, kind of flirting with 100 degrees. And as far as rain chances go, just not a whole lot of that showing up. 10-20% will pretty well cover it from day to day leading up until the 4th of July.
Okay, this is a little, it's a little unnerving, you know.
It's a little much for this early in the summer. I mean, we still got all of July, we got all of August that we're going to have to get through.
Hopefully
not a sign of things to come the rest of the summer. So.
We'll see.
Yep.
Jeff, thank you.